Okay, I'm back in my vCenter environment, and it looks like my proxy virtual appliance has finished deploying. So I'm going to go ahead and go back over to my web interface to the platform appliance. And we can see now it says proxy detected. Click finish, so I'll click finish. We'll go ahead, and the default username is admin@local. And you'll need to use the password that you created during installation. Okay. And the first thing that we'll do here, you get a choice whether you want to participate in this customer improvement program. Doesn't matter whether you choose for your preference. But to start setting up the virtual network assessment, we need to go to Add Data Source. And then on the upper right of this page, we have this Add New Source. And we'll go ahead and select our vCenter. And it already knows the proxy address that we created. If that's not correct, then make sure that it is. I'll go ahead and I'll take the name of our vCenter here. It's IP address or domain name. And then use a valid username for this to log into vCenter. And this is mostly a read-only account. However, you'll see in a second that we're going to enable NetFlow on the VMware distributed switch, the vSphere distributed switch in this environment. And so you do need the appropriate permissions for this account to turn on the NetFlow there. The specific permission levels that you need are documented in the installation documentation. So I'll click Validate to connect to vCenter. And once we're validated, we do need to ensure that we enable NetFlow. This is the primary vehicle that we have for our analysis. And this will find the VDSs that exist in your vCenter that you're connecting it to. And so you can actually go in as well and select granularly which port groups. I'll just select them all. Now this nickname here, this is specific to this data source, right? So this data source is the vCenter we're connected to. You can nickname it what you'd like, but do keep in mind this nickname is for this data source. So I'm going to call this my vCenter, and we'll submit. And that's all that we need to do. At this point, we can come back to our home page, and we'll see here if we want to start running our analysis, we can go here to click Analyze. However, before you can run an analysis, you do have to gather an initial data connection of 3 to 5 hours before you'll be able to analyze any data. And after that point, it will show you data as it collects it, but there is a need for an initial analysis period. And that's it for the installation. At this point, you can just come back after the amount of time you've worked with your VMware or your partner rep to review the details. Thank you for joining.